Hey, what's up guys? So I'm Jamie with J&G Auto Reconditioning. I'm having an OP training, advanced paint correction, sanding, runs, denibbing, having guys level up their game. Come on in.
Oh yeah, right? Yeah, that's, I was just looking on the,
the bugs hit, on that impact, the bug guts and everything are kind of getting slammed in, right? And that text flex is allowing that paint to flex in and let it hold. And so the enzymes start eating it up.
Next we're going to IPA the vehicle. This is our paint prep, so this is going to pull out the polish residues so that we don't have any issues when we put on our ceramic coating. So applicator block, ceramic coating, I do like to do like 25 drops. Honestly, I don't even count. I just get it on there.
Just get it.
It's just easier. Right on the surface. Oh gosh, just that easy.
Your money maker, where you're gonna coat a car, is this right here, where you do one step and you kick it out the door. For cars that get repainted and for all kinds of other problems, this is the man right here.
In most cases, you guys will never do this, but it's a good thing to know. You'll probably never see anything like this before.
Mako.
Yeah, Mako. You're pretty much gonna see that. So like, you're gonna grab your razor blade and you're gonna chop that down. We were expecting it to stop, you know, maybe this week get more people. They sell out immediately that first month. So if you want to get in, the sooner the better. As soon as they find out that the next training that's coming on, it's best to get in as soon as you can, because we don't like telling people no. All right, guys, thank you for watching. We've had a lot of guys level up their game and worked with a lot of talented people. If you're in my city, follow me. Hit us up, J&G Auto Reconditioning. Thank you for watching.
I know where it went now. No.
Don't hit the camera.
You're gonna knock it.
How long was it? 6 hours.
Did you get him? No, man. He went out. Oh, right there, right there. Oh, Bob Louie, Bob Louie.
Keep moving. You hit me, dude.
All right.